This is Norton Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Skukune United 3. My brother, how's it?
Good and
Sharp man. How do you feel about the game?
I'm traveling. What are the shifts in each other? What are the shifts last year? We never feel surprised actually. Each shift and challenges and I win. Because it's not shifts here to see Genesis last year. About here are the same that and one amount to team Kalukio. This is a more. Says here shifts in the CSC. It shifts in the one code. I want a mama it's like one code. It defend one code. I know to go in the only one code. So it's cool. You see planet shift because I call it specifically you call one goal. You are and then it's just equalize. My boy, baby looks at the Lam Savage. No my way for it to one. No my way for it to no my way for it to goal. Obviously as a winner because it's just into CSC. You call one goal look pair. And the Sanchez CSC you happy.
So I'm
not traveling.
So I see analyze it as a football fan now, not as a pirate.
Yeah.
Mupegile inking a Chiefs like or maybe which maybe going forward was win.
Oh, Chiefs in the Mlangi morning. We are one of the Prince. The Prince is a best sub against the Chiefs. Kuna abadlali abemeli bafaka bethe umthibo zovusa game. Namhlanje baqala ngoba the Prince mara bebe sebafleka ukuvusa abantu bovusa game. Uvulakazi umuntu lemele amdlalisa ukuqala because lo mfana lo uyagijima uyakwazi ukcreate ama chances kureaches ukwazi ukuthola ama goal. Uzazi umdlalisa isikhathi sincane. The Prince imele angene as a sub azokwazi ukuphakamisa labadlali bese phansi.
Ngiyabonga Bhakaniya.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.